Hi everyone. So today I'm going to build employee performance overview dashboard in Power BI, and for that I have prepared the dataset. And columns are like employee ID, then employee name, department. Then you could see this manager, month, and target, achievement, attendance percent, training hours, performance rating, and achievement percent. Then we have performance category. So these columns and this data set will be used to build the employee performance overview dashboard in Power BI. And also I have prepared one more sheet. You could see this here, and there I have mentioned the theme color, background color, and the visual color and data color. So this I'm going to use it while building the dashboard, and this I'll be using for switching the themes. Okay, so I want to switch from dark to dark blue to black to dark blue, and for that I have used the background color code is this, and for black this, and visual background color is white, and data color text colors and all that. Okay, so this would be in white color. So what will happen, there will use the switch theme feature in dashboard. Why? Because if you want to switch the theme from dark blue to black, so that can be done in one click. Okay, we'll not have to do much activities over there. So that's why I'm going to use this table. So let's importing the data, and let's start building the dashboard. So let's click on Excel workbook, and this is our employee performance tracker dashboard. So let's select this, open. So now what will happen, that data will be imported. Okay, so let's select the table name, dataset, and click on load. And after clicking on load, so what will happen, that it will take certain time, okay, to import it into Power BI engine, so that the data will be imported into Power BI. Now this is imported here. You could see this. This is imported here. Now what we have to do here is that we have to click on transform data. Let's click on transform data, and let's check the data types of these columns. Okay, are they okay or not? So this is employee ID. So it is character varchar, so okay. Now let's check here. You could see this month. Okay, so here time is also reflecting, but we do not need time. We need only right now currently it is select time, so we need date only. Okay, so we are going to select date, so it will replace current. Yes. Okay, so it will be converted into date, not date and time. Now other values are reflecting. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let's click close and apply. Okay, done. Now what we have to do, we have to as I mentioned here, we have the color code, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this. Okay, then we have table here, right? Enter data. So let's click on enter data, and we are going to mention this as theme table. Okay, theme table, and let's put the values here and click on load. So new table will be created here. See, this new table is created, and we have the data which we imported, okay, which we pasted. Okay, so there's a background color, data color, theme color, visual background. Okay, done. Now what, insert, then shape, rectangle shape, and this is our rectangle shape is added. Let's put it everywhere. As of now, just remove this. Now what I'm going to do, select this rectangle shape, and click on format and send to back. Okay, then now what we have to do, what next we have to do, we have to click on slicer. So let's click on slicer. Let's put this slicer here. Okay, and now we have to select as theme. Okay, so let's select this. Now we have to, what we have to do, we have to click here. Okay, and change this to tile, and selection would be single selected, because one value should always be selected. Okay, now what we are going to do here is that, okay, let's select shape, and we have a style. This is the FX button, which is the condition formatting. So we have to click on this, and once we click, so here you could see this format style is, so we have to select the fill values. Okay, so let's click on this. Then we have theme color, right? We have put the background color. So it would be dark blue or black. So we have to click on background color and OK. So now if I come here, so black is always selected. Now if I click on dark blue, so color is getting changed. So this is how you can switch the theme. Okay, this is how you can switch the theme. See this, it is working. Now what I'm going to do, let me do some kind of formatting. So slicer header, let's make it off. Then values, we have values. Okay, so let me put this as white. Okay, now general, effect, make it off. Okay, title, switch theme. Done. And we have to take the this color. Okay, switch theme, then bold, and let's make it 15. Format would be this. Now let's make it middle. Okay, this is done. Then let's go for a shadow. We can enable the shadow as well. Color would be this. We can make it inside. Then visual border also we can enable it. Okay, color we can take it this. Done. So we can, this is done. Now what we are going to do is that, so let's select, then text color is not reflecting. Okay, so values, it should be, if I say this, if it's black. Okay, now this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to add text box, and this text box would be like title of the dashboard, employee performance overview dashboard. Okay, so this, let's click here, put this here, employee performance overview dashboard. Now let's do the formatting here, formatting this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this and I'll put this here. Okay, done. Now I want to add here. Okay, this is done. So employee performance dashboard, it is reflecting. Let's put this here. What to do now, let's start adding the KPIs, and then we'll add the visuals. And here we have the space, so here I'll add last refresh date. Okay, so that we will be able to see that when was the last time when was the last time dashboard got a refresh, and user perform the activities. Okay, so that we will add it. Now what I'm going to do is that let's add the KPIs. So let's click here, and then let's start adding the KPIs. Okay, so total employees, first we have to add total employees, employee ID, and then let's show the data in count distinct. Okay, so this is the total employees. Now let's do the formatting, format printer, put this here. Okay, now come here, call out values, and we have to click on format 15, bold, and this would be white. Okay, then this is the employee ID, so auto number, so this is okay. Category label, so let's make it off. Okay, and let's put it here, employee ID, total employee ID. Now select normal, This is done. Bold, text is okay, this is middle. Okay, now let's go for effect. So visual is there, shadow is also on. So this is done, right? Now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy this. Now let's copy and paste this again. Okay, and this would be like average attendance. So let's select the data percentage, right? So I'm going to select this one, attendance percent. You could see this is attendance percent. So I'm going to select this values into average. It is showing as sum, so I'll select as average. That's all. Okay, now what we have to do, let's change the title. So this would be attendance percent. Copy and paste again. Let's copy and paste again, and here I want to show as average achievements. Okay, so I have selected as achievements achievement percent. Okay, so let's change the title quickly here, average achievement percent. Now let's add one more KPI, and that would be I want to show the average performance rating as well. Okay, so here average performance rating. Okay, so this would be average. Here let me see, it was average. No, this would be also average. So this I selected as performance rating, right? So I'll change the title, performance rating. Okay, now let's add the visuals here. So first thing I want to show the visual data as we are showing here total employee attendance, average attendance percent, then average achievement percent, and then performance rating. So first data I want to show here, first visual I want to add here as I want to show the data department wise attendance percent, right? So clustered column chart, and this would be select department, and then we can select attendance percent, right? Attendance percent, this is the attendance percent we have selected. So we can convert this into average, because this is what we are showing here, right? Now let's copy and let's paste this here. Copy, paste it. Okay, so this is done. Now we can do some formatting here. Let's change the title first. So we will say here, yes, so we will say average of attendance percent by department. This is done. Only we have to change the text colors and all that. Okay, so let's select. Now I was saying that we have made the tables, right? Theme table as there, where data color and visual background are there. So how you can implement this? Okay, so we have the I just clicked on x-axis values, and we have the fx button. So we can click on fx button and then select rules, fill value, and then select theme, then we have data color. So just click on this, and once we click OK, so see this is changed into white, right? So you can decide at the time of creating the data that we will require visual background. So data visual background, color code, and text color code. So accordingly you can select it, and you can implement at the time of creating the dashboard the way I have done it. If you want to remove, just you have to click on this button. Okay, so that in that color will be removed. Similarly for title, so we have this color code. So again we have to change this formatting, and click on fx and select the values as fill value, then this and data color. Okay, so see this, it is changed, right? Now what we have to do, similarly same activities we have to do it for y-axis as well. Okay, so we will go for values. Okay, select this field, then select all, theme and data color. Okay, so see the city changed, right? Now we can go for title, so we can select this one. Okay, select the color code field, and it would be data color. Done, it is reflecting. Now we can say here is that now so we are done with this, right? Now we can do more formattings like grid lines and all that. Okay, so if you want to see the grid lines, like if you want to see the grid lines in this manner, we can see dotted or solid, so we can say this. And zoom slicer, do you need zoom slicer? So you can add it. And the columns, like column categories is okay. Now column color code, if you want to change, then we can change from here. Okay, see this. So if I select dark blue, then also it is reflecting, right? This, right? So, or we can change the color code as well. Okay, we can change the color code. If I select other one, right? Like if I say this, so sorry, not this one, like we have this, right? So if I say this, so it is changed. If I say dark blue, then also it is reflecting, right? Black, done. If you want, we can remove the visual border as well. Okay, color coding if it is not reflecting good. So that's all about it. Okay, let's add the color code. I think color code is good. Okay, it is reflecting correctly, fine. Now do we need borders? Okay, if yes, then we can implement this one. If not, let it be. Okay, now so this is the first visual we have added. Now moving forward, we are going to add another visual. Okay, so let's copy the same visual and paste it here. Okay, so this I want to convert it into stacked bar chart. So here I want to show the data like manager and achievement percent. Okay, manager, and this is achievement percent. Okay, so title I need to change, I forget to change achievement. Okay, so average achievement is reflecting correctly, fine. Okay, so here I want to show the data manager wise achievement percent. Okay, manager, and this is the achievement percent. Okay, right? So here zoom is also added, right? So just click here, and this should be average. Done. Okay, achievement by manager. Control C, Control V. Let's put this here, and this time here I want to show the data as so now we are done with average attendance percent by department. Okay, we are showing the average attendance percent by department. We are showing the data achievement by manager. Okay, and then we must show the data like monthly achievement trend. Okay, so we have the monthly data, so we want to show the monthly achievements. So let's convert this. When we say trend, then we have to add the line chart. Okay, so we are going to convert into line chart, and here we'll add the data as month. This is the month. Okay, this is added. So we are not removing this average of achievement, because we want to show the data monthly achievement monthly achievement trend. Okay, so we have added the month data in x-axis, and in y-axis it is already average of achievements. Okay, so this is the month wise achievements. Okay, this is the trend line which is reflecting here, trend line, right? So here zoom slicer is not required. Let me remove this. Okay, and everything is fine. So we have to change the title. So this would be monthly achievement. Now let's add one more visual, and let's put this here. And here I want to show, like, how I want to show the data here as, like, performance category by employee ID. So what we are going to do is that I am going to select the data here as performance category. So let me remove this. So performance category, this is performance category, and employee ID, okay. So it should be here y-axis. Okay, and this would be converted into, I want to select this as tree map, tree visual, this. Okay, so title would be performance category by, click here. So this would be performance category, so performance category distribution. Done here. So we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. Now we can add slicer as well. Okay, slicer, that is very much important, so that then we will able to change visuals and all that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that let's add the slicer. This is the slicer, and I'll put this here, department. Okay, department, and let's convert this, select this one, put this here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is not single select, should be select all, and then we'll have values. It is okay, but let's make it short. Okay, now header, so header would be department. Okay, department, then this is okay, make it middle, done. Okay, now let's add one more, which would be manager. Click here, and this data I want to show here as manager. Okay, so multiple managers are there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select, convert this into drop down. Okay, so this is drop down. Let's click here. Okay, visual, and we have to show, so departments are reflecting. So this is manager, title would be manager. Done. Now let's show since we have selected the performance category, so we are going to use performance category as well. So let's select this as performance category. Okay, and this is also done. Okay, then we can select one more data, like month. So let me make it like this. Now copy again and paste for this year. So this is month, so I'm going to select as month. Okay, so it is reflecting. Let's do a little bit formatting. This is month. Done. So I think we are done with this. Now let's add here as bookmark. Bookmark is also very much important, and so let's put this here as clear all filters. Okay, and text color would be white. It is reflecting middle. Okay, and let's make it as 12. Done. And then all are okay, right? Let's select this home, format painter, and put this here. So this is done, right? Now what we have to do, we have to click on view, bookmark, add, rename it to this. Done. Now let's select this button, action, and we have to select as bookmark, then we have to select as clear all filters. So we are done with this. Okay, now let's change the data. All are working, right? You could see this, all are working. Select all. Now we have the perform manager. So if I select Amit Kumar, how he performed, see this. Now if I say select all, and we have performance category. So if I select this, right, all data month wise. If I say January, see this, right? So this is how you can develop dashboard in Power BI, and of data set in description box, so that you can download and you can build this at your end. And this is very much simple. Okay, it is not much complex. Okay, it is not much complex. So you can select this, and also see switch theme is also working, right? See this, right? Now I want to clear all the filters, so we have to click on you press the control button and click on this, so this will be applied. Okay, this will be applied. So this is how you can develop employee performance dashboard in Power BI. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.